Hi, my people. Hapana. As I said, hii nation tunaifix from every angle. Uzuri si mko kwa social media na mnajionea. Yeah? We all na mnajionea. So guys, I'm also a student. Na sasa ndio nimeanza kuona on social media. I think there's this group sijui inaitwaje, but we all them. Students wana communicate through memes and wanazita memes, unyali zita memes ama sijui nini. Huko ndio tunajificha. It's not a lie. It's not a lie. Life inakuwa unbearable. Unanipata? Life inakuwa unbearable. And I think I've just seen that there's something referred to as emaciation. Just go and read about it. Tusicheke tu na memes na kila kitu. Pia unajua watu wanatoa stress na memes na vitu tofauti and everything. Na my people, my fellow Kenyans bana, tuangaliane sasa. Hii ni by force. Life ina turn out kuwa unbearable na it's in a way that hata ieleweki, sijui ni aje. Cause these are people in the university. Yes, there are some in the public university and some in the private university. I myself, I'll just give an example. Sitaogopa. I'll just give an example. Recently, that is not more than a month ago, I used to attend lectures. My friend unapata lecture like some of these days now what we normally refer to as virtual learning. Na pia kuna zile classes zenye you have to attend physically. So in campus there are units or in short subjects zenye you mnafanya, whether you're doing bachelors in communications or bachelors in business, there are units where you combine. And there are units where you combine. These units are normally so life units, like like environmental issues, gender, sex and blah blah blah. Zile unit raisi like vile high school used to say boosters, you see Irene booster or history booster. But ndo naambia I just came to realize, yani there are so many factors that now made me realize I'm at a very bad place. And that's not a financial factor. Yes, niko udu, yani siko job or something, but wanaume tunajificha na excuse ya do. Mimi ndiendelea kusema na I'll keep on repeating. So back to the university issue. People are not even attending classes because you can barely concentrate. You can barely understand what the lecturer is saying. Mimi, at simple definition, you know, they are tough units. Boy kama ingine inaitwa QT. Kuna zile tough units and you go like, okay, maybe isi shiki because it's this time of the day. But they are very simple units. Unajua like some definitions fai kushindwa, characteristic, objectives, blah blah blah. So me it got to a point. I'm studying. I'm like, I'm reading a definition, a very simple definition, some branches, the characteristics, and then I'm like, as usual, mini chap in the music. By putting the book down like that, yani sishiki sikumbuki, I can't recall anything. Guys, stress. Hey, mimi sijui tutasaidianaje, lakini mimi at least nimejitokeza tuone vile tutajisaidia. Na ndio nimesema mimi I'll come from every angle of everything nimepitia. Sasa nimeingia mambo ya shule. Do you know what mimi sitawadanganya. I dropped out. And as I'm talking to you right now, my issue is with the vice chancellor or principal of the Nairobi campus, hiyo branch. Because I was like, there is no way vile nimestruggle na fees kulipiwa and such iende to waste. Simply because I can't study. Wale watu wamekulipia utaenda kuambia ati wewe unashindwa kusoma. You know, they're like, what the fuck is this guys? Wewe unasema nini? You know, people don't understand what mental illness is. Watu welewi kuna stress level inaweza fika mahali you can barely concentrate with your life. You are like wacha kila kitu ikae. Sasa mimi I realized that, na ndio maana mimi like I was like mimi niliweka kila kitu aside. That's why my phone is off. I don't want anything to do with anyone. Na si eti niko ubaya. Because at the end of it all, you're the only person who knows what exactly what you're going through. The only person is you and you alone. On your own. Hata mzazi wako kujaribu kusaidia au like you're the only person who can unstuck yourself. Mimi guys, don't mind my bitterness. Naongea hivi because after opening up like this, some of my very close friends waniambia like wanapitia, but they can't come out because of the, unajua like this just kuna stigmatization na kila kitu. Na sasa tutaforce watu mostly ni men. Ladies, nisaidieni tu, acha ni focus na men. At least nyinyi unajua mna kama moshene hivi. For us unaweza patata kama you close to someone, maybe unaogopa like uko like sasa itakuwaje. Like for me, I won't lie to you. There are people nilikuwa na trust. Now, hakuna pesa unataka. You just want to talk to that person. Relieve kitu. Mtu anakusnoba ama anakuignore. Hey, jamani. Mungu tu atusaidie. And guys, just tell me, unajua niombeeni pia God to give me enough wisdom so that I have a lot to talk about. Unaona, like that's why I'm wewe bwana, tuangalianeni jamani. Tusaidiane, watu wanateseka hapa nje. Most of these issues yani tu ni vile watu wanazishikanisha na do. Hapana. Mental illness, pressure za life zinakuwa mzito sana. Even to the young guys, but guys, mimi niko and then like any page to follow, tuone tunaweza enda wapi. Cause for me nimejitolea. Mimi hata sijui tuko tunachapia tunabonga na yani sijui. Guys, I just want to help. I don't know how, because I'm still helping myself. And that's why nili decide ku document. Ndio after nikishare cover na kila kitu. Naweza ambia mtu enda pale YouTube. Just go see my journey from day one to the certain place. So guys, I'm also asking you guys to go subscribe to my channel. Hata unajua vile watu husema subscribe to my channel, like, share. Hey guys, nyinyi watu wajanja, mnajua nyinyi mnafaa kufanya. But guys, let's continue helping each other. Wale watu wasaidia. Ile rule za play kidogo wewe jaribu. Ukishindwa pia wewe sina sawa weka.